Subscribe JSN Guruji and press the bell icon to watch video first of all.
Hello friend, today I want to show you how to remove it FRP Honor 8X. See nicely complete videos. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any videos. Making next, after then is making next, then again make next. After then you are connected to Wi-Fi, you have any Wi-Fi, then is making next. It's taking time. You see, we have password. You see, then press Google. Next, want to show you 100% you have FRP. After then is making next. You see, you have FRP now. See there, is not going next. After then go to back. Then press call, then writing 112, then press fast this side. After then you are press this cross. After then you are writing www.google .c and dash you see I am writing there. Also make copy this side. After then press both side is writing same thing. After then making done, then get it here. After then press this side, then get it number 2, then again press this side. You see this one is open. After then press 3 line, then go to setting, then press this side. After then go to back, again setting, OK Google. You are select this one down the number 2, this one OK Google, then press this side, after then go to back, again press, after then go to setting, then again go to setting and OK Google, then press this side, search bar, then writing OF, then number 2 option, this one OF writing. After then you are getting number 2 option. This one is open. Then select search bar, then writing SASE setting, then go to down last option, then press this option. After then select number 1 option, then making done. Only just 2 minutes. After then your phone 100% is done. See nicely complete videos. After then 100% this phone you are open without PC. You see, after then go to back, again back, then press number 2 option, then again press. You see, then go to back. After then you are make it switch off and on, making restart. Now is make it on. Just wait. It's taking time. You see, now 100% your phone is done. Please like and share videos. Also subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any videos. 100% this phone is done.